Hello everyone, my name is Shomik Balashuno. I am now living in Uttara Dhaka. My father name is Minrottam Bala. My mother name is Shumi Bala. Uh, I have completed both SSC and HSC from Milestone School and college. I have got GPA 4.5 in SSC in 2020 and in HSC it was 5.00 in 2022. I have a great passion in tech work. So I was searching for a best institute. Then I came to know about Daffodil International University and got admitted in CSC there. I am very much interested in this subject. So I try to give my best in this field to gather knowledge and skill. In my last semi, I have got CGPA 3.83. I have not only tried to improve myself in this field, but also I want to improve myself in other field. So I am a active member in IEEE site, DIU SPP. I have also performed a short-term internship with Empower NextGen. I am also a general member with Data Science Lab, Cyber Security Club, DIU Math Club, etc. I believe that a small push can create a huge improvement. So I am trying my best to push myself and go beyond the success. Thank you everyone.